AgiBot, one of the fastest-growing robotics startups in China, has announced a significant manufacturing milestone, claiming to have rolled out its 5,000th mass-produced robot. While 5,000 humanoids is the headline figure, the company provided a specific breakdown of those units. The total volume is split across 3 distinct product lines: 1,846 units of the Lynxy X series, 1,742 units of the Expedition A series, and 1,412 units of the Genie G series. The G series handles the repetitive automation tasks often found in factories, while the X and A series are positioned for unstructured environments and research. As part of its commercial strategy, AgiBot launched Qingtian Rent, designed to make robot rental as convenient. The rental platform, targeted to expand to more than 200 mainland Chinese cities by 2026, would bring together users, developers, rental service providers, and manufacturers to make humanoid robots more accessible to the public. Qingtian Rent is built to tackle these challenges, with its success depending on how well it addresses these core market pain points. The AgiBot Yuanzheng 2, promoted for its advanced interactive capabilities, costs around $1,380 per unit per day. All listed rental fees include technical support and transportation. Currently operational in 50 cities, Qingtian Rent has onboarded 600 service providers and over 1,000 robots already.